Family Classics with host Frazier Thomas presents Son of Lassie tomorrow afternoon at 4 on WGN Television Channel 9.
We have a teenager on the phone this time, 13 years old, brand new teenager, goes to Dirksen Junior High School in Calumet City, Illinois, Miss Mary Ellen Kelly. Good morning, Mary Ellen.
Hello.
Hello, dear. Hello. How are you?
Fine. How are you?
Oh, just super. I hope you're enjoying your summer vacation.
Yes.
Oh, good. We have a tune of the day for you. I know it's way before your time. Hope you can come up with a title, but if you can't, I'll help you all I can, all right?
Okay.
Here it is. Do you know it? Let's get away from it. Give me the last word.
Or?
That's the last word. You read my mind. Okay, good for you. You won yourself one gift and a chance to try for the jackpot, Mary Ellen. Here it is. This one I can't help you with.
No, I don't know that one.
You don't. Okay. Stanley gives you the booby bell. But you win yourself a celebrity glamour twist necklace and earring set made out of sterling silver. So I don't know if you want to wear it or maybe your mother or somebody I'm sure will enjoy it. And thank you very much for playing the game and good luck to you in school starting real soon. Okay, bye-bye now.
Thank you for calling.
My pleasure. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Very well-mannered. And we've got some very well-mannered messages for you. And then back to our movie.